We will see how we can able to use or to get methods of the green screen for CapCut. So first, let's go and pick up any random video that has has a green screen. You need to get a new video. So let's go, for example, with this one. As you can see here, so this video has some fireworks and there's a green screen. So we're just gonna put the video and here in the timeline and click on the video and go for, as you can see here, video basic, not basic but cutout, and toggle this one, chroma key, and click on this pen logo and choose the color. It's gonna be the green color. Sometimes it could be green, blue, or red, because as you know, the PC recognize the RGB colors. So click over here and you can play with these these toggles, strength and shadow, and so on and so forth. That depends on the video that you have to play with. So just hit like if you got this video helpful, and I hope you like the video and the tutorial was so clear. Thanks for watching.